I'm going to share with you my secret strategy that many affiliate marketers overlook. This strategy relies on a free and amazing tool that will save you the hassle of using paid tools. This tool is Pinterest Trends, and it's available to everyone. It helps you discover the most popular topics millions of people are searching for. By using this tool, you can find trending products to promote easily and earn significant commissions. Let me explain how I achieve 30 or more sales per month using this simple tool. Step 1. Open the Pinterest Trends tool by searching for it on Google. Step 2. Look for topics related to your niche. For example, if you work in the fitness field, you can search for keywords like weight loss smoothies or home workouts. You'll notice a rise in search volume for these topics, meaning people are highly interested in them right now. Step 3. Create attractive content in the form of pins using free tools like Canva. Make sure your images are eye-catching and use compelling titles, such as Top 5 Exercises to Lose Weight at Home. Link them to your affiliate product. The best thing about Pinterest is that it's a long-term platform. Pins you post today can continue bringing in traffic and sales for months or even years. With this method, you don't need paid tools to analyze markets or create ads. Just take advantage of what's trending now and focus on creating content that resonates with your audience. So, if you're looking for an effective way to achieve better results in affiliate marketing, try this strategy and share your experience in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more free tips to help you succeed.